Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3, the winter sun. SLOs of this lesson are demonstrate use of pronoun, antecedent, agreement, recognizing their relationship. In previous lessons, we discussed reflexive, possessive, personal and indefinite pronouns. So, in this lesson, we will discuss pronoun antecedent agreement. What does it mean? The word antecedent means something that precedes something else. In language, it is the word that a pronoun refers back to. Since the pronoun replaces the noun, it has to agree in numbers here. The pronouns which replaces the noun must agree with it in these way. A subject pronoun must replace a subject noun. An object pronoun must replace an object noun. A feminine pronoun must replace a feminine noun. A masculine pronoun must replace a masculine noun. A singular pronoun must replace a singular noun. A plural pronoun must replace a plural noun. We have discussed these things in our previous lessons too of pronouns here. We have two examples here. Rashid borrowed the camera. He borrowed it. Both the sentences have the same meaning here. Rashid borrowed the camera. He borrowed it. But what we can see the change here. Yes, Rashid is replaced by he and camera is replaced by it. If there is a girl Sana, Sana is a feminine noun. Sana borrowed the camera. She borrowed it. This is a masculine noun here, Rashid. If the Sana replaces it, will be a feminine noun. It's a singular noun also. But if we say that boys borrowed the camera, how we will change it? They borrowed the camera. They refer to the boys here. Look at the exercise of it here on page number 35. Choose the correct pronoun that agrees with its antecedent. Look at the first one. These are very easy. I love walking the streets of Lahore. Lahore is an object here. So what we will do? Yes, an object pronoun will be, a noun will be replaced by the object pronoun here. So what will be? They are, no, Lahore is not people. He is, she is, no, not a masculine and feminine. Yes, it is a beautiful city here. Both Alishba and Anoral like playing with what? Cat. The cat belongs to both these girls. We have plural here. Yes, we discussed this in our examples earlier. Her will refer only to one feminine noun. His will masculine. Our, no, this is wrong. With our cat, it's grammatically wrong here. Yes, we have plural nouns here. So, the pronoun will be there. The plural pronoun will be replaced by the plural pronoun. There is the right option. Look at the third one. Neither Mateen and Daud will have trouble finding information for report. Yes, again we have two persons here. The plural nouns here. So what we will do? We will replace them like the antecedent pronoun should be in agreement with the number here. The noun here 2. So their pronoun should be plural 2. We cannot say his or her. It indicates to only one person. There is no agreement in number. If we say 2 here, we use plural pronoun for them, it will be in agreement with their number. So, there will be the right answer here. Look at the fourth one. The boys refused to help, saying that would solve the question themselves. The boys, here the boys noun, plural noun here. Yes, again, the boys refuse to help, saying that we have no possession here. There, no. Here if we see in the third sentence here, we choose there because the report belongs to them, Mateen and Daud. Neither Mateen or Daud will have trouble finding information for their report. Like we have a relationship between the report and these two boys here. But we have no relationship here. So there will be the wrong option. He is also, because it's referred to only masculine noun and the singular noun, his, no. Boys are plural here. So what we will do, yes, they would solve the questions themselves. Now look at the fifth one. Tanya, one of the class members, has chosen television as, yes, we have possession here. Tanya is a feminine noun here, singular person. One of the class member has chosen. For feminine noun here, what we will choose to show the possession, possessive pronoun will be there, no, it belongs to the plural. Our no, we are not talking about we here. His, no, we have no masculine here. So her will be the right option. Do these two sentences by yourself. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.